Okay, how to install PlayingWithFusion onto your RoboRIO. First, I went to this GitHub of PlayingWithFusion. They have a link in the documentation. If you go to FRC software library installation in PlayingWithFusion, and you go to the lab view section, they say copy lib PlayingWithFusion driver, these 3 files from their GitHub, and they give you the link to the GitHub page. So I went to their GitHub page and I downloaded these 3 files from the 2025-01-23 version, right? So now I'm going to my git bash in here, and I'm going to my downloads. Downloads, right? And let's see which SO files are here. These 3 SO files are here. So now I'm going to say scp all of these SO files into my RoboRIO. Because I'm connected with the printer cable, this is the address of the RoboRIO, right? And they say I must upload them into this directory: user, local, FRC, third library, lib folder on the RoboRIO. I just checked, that folder is empty. So I'm going to upload these 3 libraries into that folder, just like this. Uploaded. What I have to do right now is I have to power cycle RoboRIO by unplugging it.